In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. For the official method, you can head over first to your Google Play and your App Store and make sure that WhatsApp is installed on both devices. Once you have installed it, you can actually first see the requirements. For Android OS, it requires Lollipop or 5 or above on your device. Now, for your iPhone, it requires iOS 15.5 or above. Then the latest version are WhatsApp. You also need to move the iOS application installed on your Android phone, and you need to have the same phone number. To move just from Android, you can head over right here and then open the Move the iOS app on your phone. Then follow the on-screen prompts. A code will be displayed, so just input that right there. Tap on Continue and select WhatsApp to transfer data and tap Start on your Android phone and wait for WhatsApp to prepare the data for export. Click on Next to return to the Move the iOS app and continue transferring your data from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.